Good morning! A couple months ago, so the last time that I was in this shop, I came up with the idea of building a pogo stick, but for a skateboard. So basically it works as if a trampoline was flipped over, and so the ground becomes the trampoline surface. So I have bought myself a small soldering station, as you can see here, and I have tried welding. As my welds were not that great at all, I have to get some new solder which has a smaller diameter, and then I have to get some new metal since I came up with some better, stronger plans. So let's get started! Back in my shop, I can draw the measurements out while referring to the schematic that I have drawn. Another digital schematic should appear right here. I have also removed the elastic rope out of the old metal, as I am going to reuse some of the metal. Once it was done, I can then start to cut the metal out. Unfortunately, my hacksaw broke, and so I have started welding while waiting to get a new one. I am terrible at stick welding, as it is my second time using the welding station. I have spent 3 hours in order to create 3 strong joints. So back in the project, I can cut the rest of my pieces of metal according to my schematic. Again, it should appear right here. That took me a while, but I am very happy of having bought the angle grinder. It was 20 bucks, which is twice as expensive as buying a new hacksaw, but also 5 times as fast. I am trying to weld again, as I only have 12 hours left here. I am going back to Singapore. I think that I have finally started to get the hang of it, as my welds are getting much better, even though they still are nowhere near perfect. I have spent at least 6 hours trying to weld, and I am progressing slowly but surely. Unfortunately, the clock is starting to tick. I did not have time to finish the frame since the evening has already come and that I now have to pack everything and to get ready to leave this place. Well, I messed up. I only had 36 hours here and I managed to get 10 hours in the shop, but as it was my first time welding, I did not have enough time and practice in order to build the full frame. So I will have to leave this project at that, and then I will continue it once I will be back here in 2 months roughly. That is why you can subscribe if you want to see part 2. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.